Hello, this brief video will show you how to use your Roger touchscreen microphone in the classroom. Your microphone is easy to use. Every day you're simply going to place the microphone around your neck. Now you're going to find the correct distance of the microphone from your mouth. Put your hand in this configuration and put it at your chin and find where it rests on your chest. The top of your microphone should sit at approximately this distance. Simply pull the tab on the back of the microphone to shorten the lanyard. Once your lanyard sits approximately 8 inches from your mouth, then you have found the correct length of your lanyard. When you are ready to turn your microphone on, simply use the on-off push button on the left-hand side of the microphone. Push and hold the button down, and green lights will begin to flash to let you know that your microphone is on. Your microphone will transmit up to 50 feet even through walls. So if you need to have a private conversation with a student, or if your students are doing independent desk work, or if you need to use the bathroom, you will want to mute your microphone so that your student cannot hear you at inappropriate times. To mute your microphone, you're going to use this large button that displays a microphone with a line through it at the bottom of the transmitter. Simply press the button down briefly and a red light will begin to flash. When the red light is flashing, you are on mute and you are not transmitting to your student. When you are ready to transmit to your student, press the button again, and the light will quit flashing, and now your student can hear you again. At the end of the day, when you're ready to turn your microphone off, you will use the same on-off switch, and you will hold it down for a minute, and at that point your screen will ask you a question. If you really want to power off, or if you don't, yes or no. If you're ready to power off, go ahead and hit yes, and the screen will go dark. There will be some other lights and indicators that you can choose on your touch screen. However, the only things you really will ever need to use day to day are your on-off button and your mute switch at the bottom. When the day is over and you've turned your microphone off, go ahead and pull the lanyard back out so that you can remove it from your neck. Now that my lanyard is off and the microphone is turned off for the end of the day, then I will need to charge my touchscreen microphone just like I charge my cell phone every night. You have been provided with a charging cord. Find one spot in your classroom and leave one end plugged in at all times, and then you will need to plug the microphone into the USB port on the bottom. The microphone cannot be overcharged, so if you are gone for a period of days or even weeks, just leave the microphone charging. Your touchscreen can also be used if your student will be working on a small group project. If your student will be working with several other students, you can remove the microphone from your neck and the student can place the microphone on the desk in front of them. Turn the microphone on again using the on-off button on the left-hand side, and when the green light is flashing, the student will be able to hear students that are sitting around him more easily. Another way your microphone can be used is in lieu of a pair of headphones. Your microphone came with a patch cord. This should be available in your student's hearing aid box. The patch cord is used to plug one end into the headphone jack or outlet of an iPad or a desktop computer, and the other end goes in to the jack at the bottom of the touch screen. At this point, sound will go from the iPad or desktop to the microphone directly to your students' hearing aids so that they do not need to wear a set of headphones. If you have any questions or concerns about how to use your touchscreen microphone during the year, please do not hesitate to contact your educational audiologist or teacher of the deaf, hard of hearing.